Hello YouTube, how you doing? This is KChills32. Just wanted to touch bases on this VonHaus 3/8 cordless ratchet, aka Milwaukee M12 clone. And all I can say is nothing but good things about this thing. So far it's been working great. Well, I can't say too great because recently it just fell into a bucket of oil. Yes, into a bucket of oil. And I won't get into that story, how that happened, but accidents do happen. But just wanted to let you guys know that I was upset when that happened. I'm like, no, I'm on a budget here. I ain't got no money to replace this thing. And even though it's not really that expensive compared to the Milwaukee brand, because you get basically a battery and a charger with it. But I've been scratching my head. I'm like, what should I do? What should I do? And I forgot. Well, just change the battery. Let's see if that would function. I even forgot I had a spare battery I ordered for it. And so lo and behold, I put in the new battery and she's still working. And I'm surprised because it just went in completely. It submerged itself completely in there. So I let it drain in a bag, and I shook it off, let it drain in a bag. As you can see, there's residue in there, oil residue. And so I was amazed by the durability so far of this thing. And for the torque specs, I'm still gonna do the video on it. Just had this little mishap. I started worrying about it, so I'm just gonna let it drain some more and probably take a air hose or something and just blow it through so I could spit out the rest. But yeah, it's incredible, incredible so far. This is pretty close. If I had the money, I could tear this apart, and show you the innards of it, unless somebody, want to donate one or something, and I could do the video, tear it apart, and let you guys know, and try to find a Milwaukee as well, and open the innards of the Milwaukee to compare both and see how close they are to each other. Maybe they have the same components, I don't know, but each component inside of these have a manufacturer's name or something. So that would be something interesting to do. So if anybody out there willing to donate their old Milwaukee or whatnot, send me a comment below and I'll work something out. But yeah, I totally forgot I had ordered another battery for this. Here's the old one. And I could tell you, why it failed, because this is not really sealed. There's like a gap. Let's see if I get it there. My lighting sucks, but you see the gap right there near my thumb? So that's where the oil started seeping through. So basically shorted this out. I do have warranty on this, but I don't know if they'll accept oil damage. So, that sucks. But anyways, things happen. But yeah, like I said, I'm blown away that this thing is still working. I'm telling you, I didn't do it on purpose. I'm not one of those. I don't have money to do things like other YouTubers. They'll destroy something to let you know how great it is, of a build. But so far, it went in completely. I was actually dripping when I went like this. It was dripping oil, synthetic oil. And so far, look at it. Battery indicator light's working. It's full. You got the LED there, flashlight. Reverse, forward's working. You name it. And I think it's even working better. But yeah, like going back to the torque specs, I can tell you this from playing around with it. It's pretty close to 30 and 35 foot-pounds of torque. I went to Amazon, to the comments area. A lot of people have been saying the same thing, but I'm still going to do the video. I'm just letting this thing dry up some more. I don't want to put it to the trenches too much. And, I did send VonHaus an email, see how their warranty was, and go from there. And I could share that experience as well with you guys. So far it's a great tool, but also I want to know how the customer service is going to be. I did email them last night, and they responded early this morning, which I was surprised they responded quickly. So I want to, hopefully, if they say, hey, just turn in the tool and we'll send you another one, or keep this one for review purposes if you want to open this one up as a lender or whatever. So go from there as a donor. And check out the reviews on that and compare it to the M12 by Milwaukee. So yeah, that's it. You know, like I said, it's working great. I'm gonna let it sit for a few days more, let it drain some more, and maybe throw it into a bucket of rice or something, I don't know, and go from there. But yeah, I'm probably gonna have to order another battery, even though this battery wasn't that expensive. It was like 17 bucks, and it's a 12-volt lithium battery, lithium ion. So yeah, and so far the battery life lasts, because I've been having the same battery probably for a few weeks. Yeah, for like a few weeks. So yeah, you know, if you're interested, check them out. I still have the box because I had the other battery in there. You know, they do have extended warranty. I think I did register, but I don't remember getting a confirmation, but I'll figure it out. I was so excited at the time that, you know, I forgot a lot about many things. But anyways, if you like this content, hit the like button. If you didn't, just hit the other one. It doesn't matter to me. I don't get paid for none of this. And add comments down below. And again, thank you for watching. And if you like, subscribe. You know, I got random videos. I don't talk about one specific thing. So thank you and have a great day.